Welcome back to the channel, guys. Wagwan Tours. We're in Wootton Bassett at the moment. Me and Gwenny. We're off to see the carnival. Enjoy us. Gwen's got me shaking everywhere. There you go, Gwenny. I should just match it to the high street. Gwenny. God, good girl. Good girl.
I'll bring my pizza.
Good girl. Go. £5. Good girl. So just coming up to Cobbstar and take a nice quick beer in there. It's our first pit stop, me and Gwen. I think we're a bit early for the carnival. There we go. Let's go and see how the Cobbstars are doing. Good girl. Alright, just in the Cobbstar, having one of their s'mores cocktails. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Oh damn. That's deadly, that is. Could just neck it, it's a bit like Bailey's. Oh, it's lovely. Definitely, Cobbstar cocktails are the best. So about to head back down, see what the carnival's saying. Let's get this done, we don't know. Carnival weekend. Starting off at Cobbstar. Best place to start off. Get yourself down to Wootton Bassett. Come down to Cobbstar. Lovely. Come on, good girl. It's W. Come on. Come on, let's go. Good girl. Oh, she's ragging me. She's pulling hard today. She's excited. Come on, girl.
Good afternoon. Oh, that's a good start. Hello. Hello. Hi. 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 Hello. Hello. Let me know when you can hear us. I've got to fund it, so. No, we're getting nothing. Hello. I can't. Oh, answer it. Hello. 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 Can you hear us now? Oh, barely. Hello.
Sorry, she's scared.
Hello. Can you hear us now? Okay, I'll let them know. Hello. The alphabet again. Do backwards.
Thank you.
We've got some good news. Welcome everybody. We're all from the Greens. We're looking forward to entertaining you.
Sorry.
Good news.
So James starts playing the Genius Burger.
Come on, let's go with it.
My mum was teaching me about half right now. That's time now.
Okay, girl. How much for a sausage for the dog?
Well, it'll be the same price.
No dog specials. Pardon?
They are butcher sausages.
Not dog specials. That's alright, you're good. You're good. Gwen. Come back here. Okay. It's just like Lekker now. Gonna try the tapas quickly. Tapas and a beer. It's £15. Let's give it a go. Winnie. Got to sit outside. Bit hot inside. It's Gwenny there. It's a nice Amstel. Cheers, guys. So we've got our food, it's a bao bun, it's a tapas. Let's get eating.
Did you eat it all?
I ate it all, so I thought he was going to give me loads and then give me a little bit. Just enough.
Sneaky feeling.
Right, so I don't know how she does it, but every time she gives me food I don't like, and then she makes me eat it, and it's lovely.
Video.
Every time.
Are we on the video?
You're
right?
on the video, right?
I'm pointing at it like
Every time I come here, I don't like food. What was that? There was sun-dried tomatoes in there, and
It was esme, which is a Turkish dish, which is sun-dried tomato, walnuts,
all the stuff I don't like.
peppers, all the things you hate.
Yeah, and I ate it.
Red onion.
Yeah.
All raw.
All raw,
healthy
exactly.
ingredients for
Thank you.
You're very
Thank you.
welcome. What else did you have? Hummus.
A beer and hummus, yeah.
Beer
And
beer.
but it's beautiful, thank
Yeah.
you. So we just had the one out there. Red line. Hopefully we get to see a bit of the carnival soon.
dolphin, a flamingo.
Yeah, we just said. We had a little wander down.
Yeah, thank you. That's all right. Cheers.
So I think they just might start closing the road off as well.
Right, go that way.
Don't blow. Here come the remix.
Good girl, Gwenny. She's just in the crown having a quick run. Wait, hey.
Now, direct from London Luton Airport.
Yeah. Come on, let's go this way. Good girl. Up in here. Thank you. Come on, good girl. Good girl, Granny. And say hello? Go on. Here, Gwenny. Good girl. A bit shy. Good girl. Thank you.